Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we're here with the absolute best present, the best present you could do for your wife, for your husband. I'm telling you right now, this is our number one, and we've been using it for years, our number one ceramic coating, and it is so simple to do and so simple to use. Let's go over this. This is a brand new customer $70,000, actually $75,000 Mercedes, and we're going to go over it real quick. I'm going to show you how dirty it is. It tells you right there. She's a filthy beast, and it's from Illinois, and they're down here in Pensacola, and they want to have their car professionally ceramic coated, and we're only going to use the very best on this rig, and it is a GLE 450. I'm not going to go through every step. All I'm going to tell you is, Julio, tell everybody where this can be found.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. And the reason I'm not going to go through every step is because it is very simple. The directions that they give you on the website, the videos, the customer service, the customer support for this company is unmatched anywhere else, okay? I mean, they even give you the prep soap. They give you the shampoo to be able to wash your vehicle. Get your vehicle washed good. Then if you've waxed, for us, everybody's different, but for us, if you've waxed your vehicle in the last 6 months, we say use your old 99 and wipe the vehicle down with that to remove any waxes or anything like that. Make sure your paint is in good shape and you're happy with the chips and dents that it may have. And we have our prep soap in it. So trust me, we've been using this product for years and years and years. You're going to love it. Go to the show more of the video's description and you'll find it. Beginning DIYers, you can do this process on your vehicle. And again, I'm not going to go through every little detail because it's not that difficult to do. The videos that they send you after you make your purchase, it's self-explanatory. It's so simple to do, okay? I can't make that any more clear than that. So going through every step doesn't make any sense when it's wash, rinse, repeat. Basically, that's all it is. We're gonna wash the vehicle up real quick. Now, because this vehicle has not been waxed, we're not going to use the old 99 on it. We're going to use the prep wash that they give you and wash it. And this will take all the contaminants off. Now, if your vehicle's older, you'll want to clay bar it. That's a very smart thing to do. But again, you can't get any better gift to give somebody who loves their vehicle. It's absolutely the best gift you can give somebody. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist to do the process. All right, now you'll make sure that it's completely dry before you do anything, of course. We're going to use our best air blower that there is. Now we'll use the drying towel that they sent us. And again, if your paint's in bad shape, you want to clay bar it. If you've just waxed it, you want to use the old 99 to get all the wax off. In this situation, we don't have to do any of that because it's a 2020, so we're good there. Now it's about 80 degrees here in Florida. So with the ceramic coating that we're going to be using, we only have to let it set on for 1 to 2 minutes. And again, they give you all the time charts for your time. If you don't get it finished in one weekend, do a quarter panel, a hood at a time, finish it up on the next weekend. Do it in sections. This is the best gift you can give anyone in your family. I'm telling you, if they love their car, you're going to want to have them use this right here. We've been using this ceramic coating. It's in the tools list. Julio tells you every time where it's at. Go ahead again, Julio.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Right here, simplest. We've used it for years. It's our #1 best ceramic coating for long-term protection and beauty, right here. All right, now as you can see, it has a beautiful shine, and we're going to basically do this area right here, and it's very simple. I love that word. I love simple when it comes to DIY. Here's our sponge and our cloth. That's a few more because we're pretty good at what we do here and we like a little bit extra. We're going to go one direction. And when it starts to dry up a little bit, put a few more drops on. Now we're going to go back this direction, cross it up. Now, if it dries up on you too quickly, you can always add more and bring it back. May have to do a little buffing to get it off there and get it where you want it. But like I said, you could do this hood, the 2 front fenders, and the door in an hour. And if you have somebody helping you, it's really nice. And it's 80 degrees in here, so I don't have to wait a whole long time to get this buffed off. And as you know, ceramic coating is basically liquid glass. Now we'll let that set, and I always tell everybody that you can tell when it's ready to buff off when you pull your finger across there and it smears a little bit. We're not there at that point. You can feel a little bit of pull, like some resistance when you pull your finger across there. All right, we waited about 4 minutes or so, and we've got some good drag going across there now. We're going to take the best microfiber towels we know to man and buff that in. Flipping your towel as you go. And when you get done using these, just wash them. Use them on other things that are not as important. Now set this out in the sun for about 5 hours and it'll be completely sealed on. You can drive it, but keep it out of the rain.